Hello everyone, welcome. Now, out and about today, I'm meeting somebody at the train station. I'm not going to tell you who it is yet, I'll tell you in a minute. We're going to do a bit of a collab and show him around Lichfield. A little bit of a walk and just see where it takes us. So, should be a fun day. We'll see what happens. Ain't got our nap with us. She's a bit down today with the lad being in the army. She feels a bit down, so I've come out on my own. She might pop out later if she feels better, but we'll see. So I'm at the station. Try and get in about 10 minutes. So we'll see him then. Train's just pulling up. Here he is. Here's the man himself. How are you, mate?
Yeah, not too bad. Good to see you.
How are you?
Oh, very
That's
well.
the Wanderer. Say hello.
Hey guys, it's the Wanderer. Oh, I need to put on my uniform. 2 seconds.
Get it on. Get it on.
There we go. Let's get into character. There we go.
There we go. The Wanderer.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? Nice to. I tell you, what a journey. I've never been to this part of the world before, so it all goes with my shtick of going to places I've never been before. This guy, I have to say, absolutely pleasure, to welcome me here, and I have to say, slightly nervous. First collab. Your first collab too, I imagine.
Hey, yes, mate. Yeah. So there we go. We're going to go a walk around and that, and we'll see you in a minute. It's at Lichfield Cathedral, guys. This is. Look at that.
Jeez,
Look at that thing.
that's impressive. That.
We're in space, guys. We're in space. Look at it. Wow.
Ooh,
Absolutely wow. It's amazing how they've done that, isn't it?
it's really good.
Volunteers. What's this book? Oh wow.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Dr. Johnson's workroom. It's something to do with the English dictionary. That'll do now. Let me know in the comments what you think it is.
From the very, very short time that I've been here, I've been told that this is Dr. Johnson's house from the 1700s, and he must have been well off to have a house like this. Test your skills
with a quill.
You know,
There's
go
a
for
quill,
it.
look. Might be a bit dark in here, guys. I do apologise.
A lot of people leave comments on my videos how I hold a fork very funny, so I'm going to see how
I
I
have
get on with a
noticed.
quill.
See if we can get on with a quill. Oh my god.
Oh my word. I'm not having any luck with this.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's harder than it looks, isn't it?
It's, well, you can sort of make it out, I think.
Let me have a
You
go.
can see what I was going for, but yeah, give it a
Let me have a go.
Do you want me to hold your equipment?
Go on then, just hold that there and have a
That
point.
there we
Have a
go.
look.
Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
God.
He's better than me anyway.
Need more ink.
More ink.
God, that's hard, isn't it?
There you go.
Very hard.
That's impressive. I have to say, I don't think we would have done too well back in those days.
God. Never mind. There we go.
Always next time.
The kitchen. You can't see nothing in here. Probably still can't see nothing. Look. The kitchen. Shame that's so dark, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Look at the light, man.
No.
You can see a candle, that's all you can see.
Candle and fireplace.
And the fireplace. You can't see the old chicken on the table.
I don't know if my torch will make any work of it, but not really.
No, not really. Not really. Pub games.
That's fine. Oh, okay. So how does this one work?
We pull them in, don't we?
Is it like bowling, I guess?
I think it's got bowling in it, I think.
Okay, let's.
I'm not good.
No, let's. I'll try and go in frontwards. Oh, I've got one. The thing I love about places like this is occasionally you'll get to play dress up. Oh yeah, that's very you.
How's it looking so far?
Yeah, so far so good. Right, is that that's pretty heavy, yeah? There's a bit of weight to that coat.
They ain't going to get this on. Not in a million years or getting this on me. Not in a million years. Kind of on the arm.
I can see that. Oh my word! I might have to give that. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Why not?
Wanderer's going to try it because I'm too fat to get it on.
Well, I might struggle myself. Here we go. Right. Just terrified that if I hear a ripping sound, we're going to run.
That's what I was worried about.
Yeah, as fast as we can. Right, I can't actually won't be able to button these up, so I don't think it's just a you problem, thankfully. Right, I'll tell you, this is.
I don't know how you're going to get that out, I'll tell you.
This is heavy.
Why don't you try and get the other arm in?
Right. Oh my god. Yeah, that's. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's the best I can do. What you? Oh dear.
Oh,
that's
God.
interesting,
Yeah.
but no chance. This one fits a lot better.
That looks better.
It looks better.
That looks better. That looks better.
Lovely, thank you.
Right, guys, we're going to go into what's it called? The Tudor.
The Tudor.
The Tudor. That's what it's called. Never been in there before, even though I'm from Lichfield. But we're going to go and have a look at me, mate.
We are, mate.
Let's go and have a look.
Good.
This is it here. Old building. 15th century or something. 1510 it was built. Let's go and have a look. Right, guys, it's come. I'm not going too much into it. You've got to go over to the Wanderers channel to view it. So just a quick peek. There you go. Right, guys, finished. The Tudor. You want to know what it was like? Go over to the Wanderers channel. I'll leave the link in the description. And we'll give it a review there. Right then, everybody, we've had a great day. Me and the Wanderer. We had a superb day today. I'm going to leave a link to his channel down there somewhere. You'll find it. Go and give him a subscribe, because around all these boozers and all these pubs and all these restaurants and all these fast food joints, checking out all the food, don't you?
Challenges.
Does it all.
Eventually tourist places, hopefully, fingers crossed.
So go and give him a subscribe, and I will see you next time. Watch this road, don't we, over? You know what I'm like? Absolutely useless at times. See you later. Bye bye. Go and subscribe to him. I'll leave it down there somewhere.
Be much appreciated, guys. You're more than welcome. I can't wait to welcome you all. Bye for now.
Bye.